This video explains MES system integration. To integrate with a MES system, you must first configure the inspection software. Open System Settings from the function menu on the left. Select System Settings. Set the root directory of the template library. Select the folder where the inspection templates are stored. Click Save. Next, configure the data service. Enable the TCP API service. Enable auto start for the TCP API service. Set the TCP API service port. The default port is 17802. Set the TCP API command terminator to carriage return plus line feed. Then click Save. Restart the software. The screen shows the inspection template used for this MES integration demonstration. Open the print template. The QR code, code 128 barcode, variable text is linked to a database table. Check the linked data fields. The first field is code 128. The second is QR code. The third is OCR1. This is the database table linked to the print template. Copy the field names from the first row of the table. Create a new text file. Paste the field names into the text file. Remove any extra spaces and separate the field names with commas. Press Ctrl+S to save the file. After saving, return to the inspection interface. For MES communication, add a data source module. In the data source module properties, click Configure. Click Import File. Select the text file created earlier. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Query to verify that the fields have been imported successfully. Open the advanced settings of the data source module. Set the import method to auto. Add the required inspection modules. Configure the data validation settings for each inspection module. Set the validation method to master data check. Select the data source created earlier. Choose the corresponding data field. The configuration is now complete. The inspection template setup is finished. Now let's demonstrate MES communication. Close the inspection template in design mode. Switch to working mode. Start the TCP service. Begin MES communication. Open the TCP API debugging tool. Set the communication protocol to TCP client. For the remote address, enter any local IP address of the PC. Press the Windows key and type cmd. Open command prompt. Enter the command ipconfig. Check the local IP address of the PC. The local IP address is these. Enter it as the remote address. Set the remote server port to 17802. Click Connect. The first command is to start the template. Use the Ctrl Start command. Enter the command here. The command terminator is a new line. In the command, the method is Ctrl. VPF is the template name, and ACT is start. Start the inspection template. Click Send. The template is starting. After sending the start command, query the template status. Use the Ctrl Query command. The command terminator is a new line. Method is Ctrl. VPF is the template name, and ACT is query. Click Send. If status equals 1, the template has started successfully. Now import the data. Use the import command. The command terminator is a new line. Method is import and VPF is the template name. Act is import. For BAT, use data as the prefix followed by a unique ID. Each batch must have a different unique ID. Fields contain the field names. The field names must exactly match those in the text file. Data contains the data to be imported. Multiple records are supported. To import multiple records, place each record in an array and separate the arrays with commas. Click Send. The data has been sent. Next, verify that the import was successful. Use the import query command. Method is import. VPF is the template name. Act is query. BAT must be the same as the batch number used during import. Set both fields and datas to empty arrays. Click Send. If the response is OK, the data has been imported successfully. Start printing the labels. Send the print job. Return to the inspection interface. A master data validation error is detected, and an alarm is triggered. This is because the QR code printed on the label does not match the imported data. The code 128 barcode and the variable text match the imported data, so their inspection results are OK. Click Ignore. Return to the TCP API debugging tool. Use the result command to retrieve the inspection results. The command terminator is a new line. Method is result. VPF is the template name. BAT must match the batch number used during data import. The time parameter should be the label printing time. In this example, enter the time. This timestamp must be earlier than the inspection time. To retrieve the corresponding inspection record, set skip to 0, indicating no records are skipped. Set take to 1, indicating one record is retrieved. Click Send. The inspection result is returned. Retrieve the required information as needed. This is the MES system integration in TCP.